The word apparently is very useful in everyday conversations. It helps you talk about things that seem true but you are not 100% sure. Apparently means something looks true or is what you hear, but you don't have complete proof. Many learners use apparently as if they are sure about something. Remember, it shows you are guessing or reporting what seems true, not certainty. Common patterns include apparently plus verb or apparently plus clause. For example, apparently, he left early or she is apparently tired. Apparently, it will rain today. He is apparently very good at tennis. They apparently don't like spicy food. Apparently, the movie was very exciting. I heard my friend didn't come to class. Apparently, she was sick. I wasn't sure, but it looked true when I saw her message. Think of apparently as appear pleasantly. Something appears true but may not be real. This helps you remember it's about what seems true. Now you know how to use apparently to talk about things that seem true. Try using it in your sentences today.